Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make the ghost lid in Boba Story. Crafting special lids enhances your drinks and boosts your earnings significantly. We will cover the exact recipe code, how to input it correctly at the merchant's cart, and the necessary steps to access the crafting area. This guide will help you customize your boba creations with this unique item, making your shop even more appealing to all your customers. Before you can craft any special lids, you need to unlock the garden area. First, spend 4,000 leaves to unlock the food display in your main room. Once that's done, you'll begin earning stars. Use 1,000 of these stars to purchase and unlock the garden. This area is absolutely crucial because it houses the merchant's cart, where all your lid crafting takes place. The specific recipe code for the ghost lid is 5111. This translates directly to the honey types you need for crafting. You will use 5 units of regular honey, 1 unit of blueberry honey, 1 unit of strawberry honey, and 1 unit of lavender honey. Head to the merchant's cart in your garden and carefully input these exact quantities using the plus buttons for each honey type. Once you have accurately entered the 5111 code for the honeys, simply tap the trade button at the merchant's cart. Your new ghost lid will then be successfully crafted and immediately added to your inventory. You can now access it through the shopping cart icon under the Lids tab. Use this unique lid to enhance your boba drinks and attract many more customers to your thriving shop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.